Hello everyone, I am back in Bali and I'm staying in another area, the Nusa Dua, and I'm staying at the Ritz Carlton. So it is an all-suite and villa property. I'm staying at a Ritz Carlton suite, so I'm going to give a quick room tour. So on my left, there's a powder room. So a sensor bathroom. Okay, so actually that's on my left. On my right is actually a walk-in closet, luggage and stuff leading to the bedroom, but I'm going to go there last. Okay, so this is the dining room area with the pantry over here with the coffee machine and some water, and then with the capsules and tea bags and glasses and such. So I'm going to turn on the light to make it nicer. Yep. Okay, so I got the welcome letter with the welcome gift and some fruit. Very comfortably for 4-person in the dining area. And then walking over here is the living room area. And then with the TV and then the audio visual setup, and then with the champagne glass. Also is saying on the bar here, and then the room service menu. Actually, this is the fully stocked minibar. So have to pay for, but at least it's fully stocked, which is good. Okay, so looking back, this is the Ritz Carlton suite, the dining room area and the living room area. Okay, so now they've got a big balcony for the suite, and they want us that's monkey. So when we get out, remember to close the door. So I'm going to just quickly walk out to show you the size of the balcony with the day bed on one side, and then with the outdoor table on the other side. And this is the view, the lush green view that they say the chapel as well as the beach grill restaurant is over there. And actually I can actually see monkeys or birds. So welcome to Bali. Very nice here. Okay, so I'm walking back in. So closing the door as suggested. Okay, so now this is the bedroom. So the bedroom, you can see, share the same balcony with the day bed, and then this is a huge king size bed. Okay, so of course another TV here that you can watch from the bed, and then they have all the charger hidden in the drawer. Okay, now going into the bathroom. This is quite signature. If you watch my video before, I just stayed at the Ritz Carlton Langkawi, and it has a very similar setup. And I think actually this one may even be bigger. Okay, so back here they have double sink. They have, this is the bathroom amenity. They have the hair dryer over here. Okay, so they have it set up, you know, with the bath salt and everything for a bubble bath. And then of course the rain shower, stand up shower here. and then another bathroom just right here. Okay, so they have an extra TV that you can watch it when you are having a bubble bath. And this is the walk-in closet, you know, with 2 bathrobe, with umbrella, with iron and iron board, and the hangers out here is a kind of a walk-in closet. And of course, they got slippers. Yep, laundry bag, iron. Okay, I think what I'm missing is the safe deposit box, but I'm pretty sure they have it. Okay, so looking back, this is the walk-in closet, the bathroom, a part of the bathroom, and actually the full bathroom is here. Okay, so I'm heading out for dinner, and I will continue to record my stay as usual. See you!